Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Qadri. Students, in today's video, I will teach you guys how you can talk to each other about your health situation in English. You just need to practice with me. But before watching my video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. मुझे बुखार है. I am having fever. Like if you are not feeling well and you want to tell someone that मुझे बुखार है, I am having fever. I am having fever. मुझे तेज बुखार है. I have a high fever. मुझे तेज बुखार है. I have a high fever. I have a high fever. मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. Oh my God. I am feeling dizzy. मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. I am feeling giddy. You can say giddy or dizzy. Both will be correct. Right? मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. I am feeling dizzy. I am feeling dizzy. Or I am feeling giddy. मेरे सर में दर्द है. I have a headache. The word is headache. Ache mean you are having pain somewhere. Toothache, headache, etc. मेरे सर में दर्द है. I have a headache. मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रहा. I am feeling unwell. Or you can say I am not feeling good. मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रहा. I am feeling unwell. Or you can say I am not feeling good. मैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रहा. I am feeling unwell. मेरी आंखों में तकलीफ है. My eyes are sore. मेरी आंखों में तकलीफ है. My eyes are sore. My eyes are sore. एक दिन में बुखार उतर जाएगा. Fever will go down in a day. एक दिन में बुखार उतर जाएगा. Fever will go down in a day. Fever will go down in a day. मैं बुखार से ठीक हो गया हूँ. I am recovered from fever. The word is fever. मैं बुखार से ठीक हो गया हूँ. I am recovered from fever. I am recovered from fever. उसे दायमी बुखार है. She has a chronic fever. उसे दायमी बुखार है. She has a chronic fever. He has or she has. It depends upon whom you are talking about. Right? उसे दायमी बुखार है. She has a chronic fever. ये दवाई ले लें. Take this medicine. ये दवाएं ले लें. And if you are talking about ये दवा ले लें, take this medicine. Okay? But we are talking about medicines, more medicines. ये दवाएं ले लें. Take these medicine. Take these medicine. किसी अच्छे डॉक्टर से मशवरा करें. Consult some good doctor. किसी अच्छे डॉक्टर से मशवरा करें. Consult some good doctor. और if you want to say आपको किसी अच्छे डॉक्टर से मशवरा कर लेना चाहिए. You should consult some good doctor. Consult some good doctor. उसे बदहज़मी है. She has indigestion. Digestion mean digest mean हजम कर लेना, right? That's perfectly fine. Indigestion mean you are not okay. बदहज़मी, right? उसे बदहज़मी है. She has indigestion. She has indigestion. उसे बदहज़मी है. She has indigestion. मुझे आधे सर का दर्द है. I have a migraine. It depends upon you. Some people call it migraine and some people pronounce this word like migraine and migraine. Both pronunciation are correct, right? मुझे आधे सर का दर्द है. I have a migraine. I have a migraine. मेरे पेट में दर्द है. I have pain in my belly. मेरे पेट में दर्द है. I have pain in my belly. I have pain in my belly. Next one. मेरा पेट ठीक नहीं है. Okay. My stomach is upset. Okay guys, you will not use the word belly here. मेरा पेट ठीक नहीं है. पेट ठीक नहीं है. It means you are talking about stomach, right? My stomach is disturbed or my stomach is upset. Upset means udas, but you can use this word here. My stomach is disturbed or my stomach is upset. Next one. मुझे बेचैनी हो रही है. I am feeling uneasy. Okay. मुझे बेचैनी हो रही है. I am feeling uneasy. I am feeling uneasy. मुझे बेचैनी हो रही है. I am feeling uneasy. मेरा दिल तेजी से धड़क रहा है. Oh my God. My heart is beating fast. मेरा दिल तेजी से धड़क रहा है. My heart is beating fast. My heart is beating fast. Next one. अंजेलिना कमजोर हो रही है. Angelina is getting weak. एंजेलिना कमजोर हो रही है. Angelina is getting weak. Angelina is getting weak. आप अपना वजन कम करें. You need to reduce your weight. Or you can simply say reduce your weight. Okay? आप अपना वजन कम करें. You need to reduce your weight. You need to reduce your weight. Here G is silent. You will pronounce the word weight, right? You need to reduce your weight. ये गोली ले लें. Take this tablet. गोली mean tablet. दवाई का word यूज किया जाता है, that is medicine. गोली means exact tablet. ये गोली ले लीजिए. Take this tablet. Take this tablet. मुझे घुटनों में मसला है. I have knee problem. मुझे घुटनों में मसला है. I have knee problem. Here again K is silent. You will pronounce the word N-E-E. Knee problem, right? मुझे घुटनों में मसला है. I have knee problem. I have knee problem. वो अब काफी ठीक है. He is very healthy now. वो अब काफी ठीक है. He is very healthy now. He is very healthy now. मैंने ये दवाइयाँ ली. I took these medicines. मैंने ये दवाइयाँ ली. I took these medicine. I took these medicines. आपने किसी डॉक्टर से मशवरा किया? क्या आपने किसी डॉक्टर से मशवरा किया? Question mark. It means this is interrogation, interrogative sentence, right? Did you consult any doctor? क्या आपने किसी डॉक्टर से मशवरा किया? Did you consult any doctor? Or you can say, did you see any doctor? क्या आपने किसी डॉक्टर से मशवरा किया? Did you consult any doctor? Or did you see any doctor? मुझे उल्टी महसूस हो रही है. Okay, I feel like vomiting. मुझे उल्टी महसूस हो रही है. I feel like vomiting. मुझे उल्टी महसूस हो रही है. I feel like vomiting. इसे बीमारी महसूस हो रही है. She is feeling sick. She is feeling sick. उसे बीमारी महसूस हो रही है. She is feeling sick. वो आज अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रहा. He is not feeling well today. वो आज अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रहा. He is not feeling well today. He is not feeling well today. मेरे हाथ सूजे हुए हैं. Okay, my hands are swollen. मेरे हाथ सूजे हुए हैं. My hands are swollen. My hands are swollen. Swallow मतलब swell करना, like सूज जाना, right? This is the swollen. The word is swollen, right? My hands are swollen. उसे कमर में दर्द है. He has backache. He has backache. कमर दर्द mean backache, headache, सर दर्द, right? So guys, this is all about today's lesson. I hope this is quite interesting for all of you. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel Learning with Anila Qadri and press the bell icon. Thank you.